identified. The group's name is the Red Tornadoes, and they are not hostile, as they are helping Ryan Jefferson. The leader is Ryan's brother, Aiden Jefferson, and they are working together to stop this madness. In other information, after the battle between Barney and Ryan Jefferson, Barney has fortunately been stopped for good and has died with guarantee with no return. However, the rest of the Devil Mafia...
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government along with the United States Army. The Devil Mafia has finally been taken down for good, with no guarantee of return. A news report will play after this message. The government thanks you for your cooperation during this emergency.
We are very pleased and relieved that the U.S. Army, the Red Tornadoes, and Ryan Jefferson has successfully defeated the Devil Mafia, and this madness is finally over. We finally get peace. However, it will take a very long time to repair everything that the Devil Mafia did to our poor country. This concludes this news report.
This message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Barney the serial killer, and he somehow launched 40 missiles headed for the United States. These states will be impacted in the next 10 minutes. Hawaii, Missouri, Kansas, Indiana, Michigan, Wisconsin, Minnesota, North Dakota, South Dakota, Florida, Georgia, Louisiana, Texas, New Mexico, Arizona, California, Oregon, and many more. Everyone in the United States is advised to go into a fallout shelter immediately. Fallout is a product of nuclear attacks. Exposure to fallout will result in certain sickness or death. Please keep a battery-powered radio to keep track of any updates. Please stay tuned for further information on this dangerous situation.
This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. The Devil Mafia, who destroyed the United States, is back and somehow launched 50 nuclear missiles. We believe these nuclear missiles will hit Ohio, Texas, Louisiana. If you live in any of these states, seek a fallout shelter immediately. Stay tuned on more develops on the situation. We interrupt this programming. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. SCP-049, the serial killer who destroyed the United States, has returned and somehow teamed up with Barney and the Devil Mafia. And they believe they're going to be launching an asteroid to the whole entire Earth. At this time, all residents are advised to lock all doors immediately. We now return to regular programming.
Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by. The President of the United States or its designated representative will be speaking on all stations shortly. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by.
The following message has been given authorization to release at the request of myself, the Centers for Disease Control. My fellow Americans, this is Mike Pence speaking to you all for the second time. Over the past few hours, Oxford 2018 has worsened across the United States. About 84 million people across the country have become infected and have turned into these coyotes. This virus is now the deadliest thing that Barney has done, which means that I advise everyone to seal all cracks with tape and or damp towels. You are also advised to only drink your bottled water, use cleaning wipes and sprays as the water supply has been contaminated with this virus. This is all the information I can give out now. Please stay safe and stay away from Barney as well.
Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by. The President of the United States or its designated representative will be speaking on all stations shortly. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by. The following message has been given authorization to release at the request of myself, the United States government, National Weather Service, and the Centers for Disease Control. My fellow Americans, this is Mike Pence speaking to you all for the final time. Please listen carefully as important discovery was made about the current situation where we are right now. Your warrior has died. All the other dogs are still wreaking havoc and murdering residents across the world. In addition, 1 million fatalities across the world have been reported due to those people turning into coyotes. The virus spreading across the world. Humanity's chance of survival is slowly decreasing to 0%. As of this moment, considering that everyone in the states of Kansas and Missouri died from this situation, Alex was also created from Barney before he died, which 100 million people have been affected by. The hypnotized people